All right, day one of the beet harvest. It wasn't even a full day. So we did our orientation on Sunday. We showed up on Saturday. We did our orientation the next day. And then we did a walkthrough the next day also. But then then we started work only for day shift for training for 8 hours. No, we did 10 hours today. We did 10 or 11 hours. It was a long day. And then we are working night shift. Of course, they put us on nights. Starting Tuesday. Night. Well, tomorrow, which would be our third day of work, we're only working 8 hours at night. They're having us come in at 11 o'clock, and then we're working till 8 o'clock in the morning. And then we go into our full 12-hour shifts at night, which it's going to be fun. It was cold today, hot,
and then it got hot
and dusty, no rain. So we're going to go buy a better pair of boots for my lovely wife, Lisa, tomorrow. And we just got to make sure that we have more clothing.
I already had layers.
She was warm except for her hands. So, and I was warm except for my hands. So
you started getting cold.
We got to get better gloves. I think that's the reason why I was cold, was because my hands were cold. Either way, it's not a difficult job. It really isn't, but it's just standing. We stood a lot, but between the breaks that we were able to get and sitting down on the little culverts that they had there every now and then, it wasn't that bad. But we haven't worked the night yet, so we'll figure that out tomorrow. We'll see how cold it is tomorrow, because it's not supposed to get into the 30s until Thursday, which is 2 days away. Cold. We still haven't turned on our heater in our RV, so it ain't that cold, and we still got our air conditioning going. So I don't think it went on last night, did it?
No.
Maybe once or twice it went on last night because it was kind of warm in our RV still. But that's it. We'll check back in Wednesday morning and see. It's a red sugar beet. It's supposed to be rare, and it's supposed to be good luck. I'm gonna do a little video. Alright. We're here at the beet harvest, and we won't be coming back next year. But basically, they take beets from the field like this. They go into this piler machine right here, and then they spit out through this long conveyor belt up there. And you gotta take the boom and go back and forth, and hopefully none of them get stuck. Now, the bad news about this is you're on your feet 12 hours. And do your feet hurt do they hurt as bad today as they did day one? You're getting used to it, right? Kinda? Yeah. So the trucks come in that thing right here, and they dump their beets.
That's because we're only 8 hours now. That's why.
Well, that's true too. We're only 8 hours. This year was really good because they were able to do 80% or 90% of the beet harvest in 8 days. We worked 8 straight days and got it all done. But now it's time to go. A lot of the people who come back every year want to stay for another weekend, but some of us don't want to stay another weekend.